Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dallas Pruitt. This is the Daily Drip here on the Growthcast. And today I wanted to address a question that comes across the table often. And is what is, Dallas, what is the number one ingredient for success? Ooh, man, tripping over my words there. But again, just to clarify, what is the number one ingredient for success? And the tough part with the response here is it's not what everybody wants to hear, which is there is no one particular ingredient that is the contributing factor. There's lots of contributing factors, right? Growth is complicated. Growth is not easy. And today, what I wanted to do is I wanted to give you some pieces here, right? Again, putting together your puzzle looks a little bit different than putting together the other person's puzzle, right? Everybody's situation is different. Everybody's working on different goals. But today's invite is to take this list of things that I'm going to drop and implement what works for you. Do what works for you. Again, this podcast, a centerpiece to it is mindset. We talk heavily on mindset, and there are a lot of ways in which you can train your mind so that you can go out and become a better version of yourself, whatever that self looks like, whatever it is you do. And one of these important pieces here, or the actionable, if you will, is you do need to do what works for you. And all of these things work, but the degree in which they work, the degree in what you deliver on, how often, what it is you do, these habits, these actionables, it's going to depend person to person and what works for you. But all of these things do work, and it's your job to build the right system for yourself, for your business, and what it is you are out there working to accomplish. So in no particular order, here's a number of ways in which you can train your mind. You can journal. You can meditate. You can practice gratitude. Take that up a notch. We've talked heavily on that this month. Visualization, breath work, read, reflection, work out, yes, your physical body and what it is you put to the test every single day. Getting outside of your comfort zone, broadening your perspective, exposing your blind spots, building good habits, which again, all of these fall under this specific scope there. Focusing on what you can control and choosing a positive attitude. And when you can't, choosing a neutral attitude, but never or rarely. And if so, when it happens, catching yourself when you go negative. Again, these are ways in which you can train your mind. And today's reminder is there is no one single ingredient for high levels of success. Success is complicated. Growth is complicated. But our job here is to help simplify that work so that you can go out and deliver on the things that work. And through this list, my invite is to choose what works for you. Design a system that works for you and what stage of the game you're at right now and what it is you're striving to accomplish. And make it a priority to train your mind every single day, because mindset has a direct impact on every aspect of your life and will propel you to higher levels of growth and success in your life. Have a great day, everybody, and we will see you guys back here on the Daily Drip tomorrow.